Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
ChatGPT plug-in Canva. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plug in or how to add Canva in your ChatGPT and how to use it. So, let's get started. First thing you need to do is open up your ChatGPT. Once you open up your ChatGPT, click here on Explore ChatGPT. After clicking on that, search right here the Canva. Canva. So, it's loading. As you can see right here at the top, you will see the Canva. Then click on that. After clicking on that, click on Start Chat. There you go. Effortlessly design anything, presentation, logo, social post, and more. So let's try one of this. Canva wants to talk to ChatGPT plugin.com. Click the always allow. There you go. Yeah, that's how you add the Canva plugin in ChatGPT, and that's how you use the Canva plugin in ChatGPT. So yeah, that's about it. Just just use it like it's a normal ChatGPT, but instead of I only text or chats, it comes with images, designs, etc. in Canva. Yeah, hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys, as you can see right here, you don't when you're gonna switch to ChatGPT or Canva, just click on any one of this ChatGPT and just click Canva if you want to use Canva. You don't have to go to Explore GPT anymore or anything of those. Just click here to be sure that you want to use the Canva, and just click here to be sure that you want to use the ChatGPT. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.